Guys, this is the Borghese statue in the Miradel Garden here in Salzburg, where a scene from the 1965 movie The Sound of Music was taken when Maria brought with her the 7 children to learn and enjoy at the same time. So this was one of the scenes that you can see in that film, and I'm here right now and enjoying the view here in Miradel Garden. This is a 1606 garden that was created or established by one of the archbishops of Salzburg. This is one city or one country where for more than 1,000 years it was ruled by the archbishop, who at the same time was the ruler of the town. In short, the archbishop was the one taking care of the people's taxes, military, defense, economic, and ecclesiastical activities. So this became also the ecclesiastical center here in Europe, and this is Austria until 1816, during the time during the Napoleonic invasion, when it was converted into a Austrian Empire and dissolved the archbishopric system here in Austria. So again, this is the statue of that you can find in the movie The Sound of Music. In the center, you can see the old abbey that was also established in 7th century AD or 8th century AD, and later on we'll go and visit that abbey. The abbey where in the beginning of the movie Maria was living with the nuns. Okay guys, see you.